How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete old Facebook account without your password, email, phone, and username. So let's get started. First of all, simply open Facebook application with any of the other account, and then you're gonna head over, go to the search bar and type in your username. For example, this is the username. So after that, you're gonna click on your account. Let's say this is the account that you had previously and you wish to delete it. After that, you'll be able to see these three dots over here. Click on them and then you'll be able to see the option of report profile. Click on report profile and then here you're going to select fake profile. Once you select fake profile, you'll be able to see who or what is it pretending to be. You're going to click on me and after that, just simply click on submit and then click on next. Click on done again. And after that, Facebook will review your application and simply delete this old Facebook account for you. So that is basically how you can delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone number, and username. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.